Meaning of headcount.
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 Headcount. The term headcount is used to refer to the number of people employed by a company or organization. It is a common metric used to measure the size and scale of a workforce, and can be used to track changes in employment over time, such as through employee turnover or hiring patterns. For budgeting and financial reporting purposes, headcount is often used to calculate labor costs and determine staffing levels. Ultimately, headcount provides a tangible measurement of a company's human resources, which can inform strategic decision-making.